And we're back here, folks, after the Colts tied it up, and we're going to kick it off here, of course, because that's what you do after you score points. You kick the ball off the other team. And, of course, we'll run it back to about the 27-yard line, I'm guesstimating. And I was correct. And it's the third quarter here with 2 minutes and 32 seconds left on the clock. And the Saints try to run the ball down here or pass the ball down here to score more points. And Drew Brees is back to pass it, and he will complete the pass for about a 5-yard gain. And the ball's on the 31-yard line. And Drew Brees goes back to pass, and Bush is wide open. And he gets tackled from the 46-yard line, so it's first and 10. It was quickly approaching on 2 minutes left in the third quarter. It goes back to pass again to Bush. And he's finally brought down at the 26-yard line with exactly 2 minutes left here in the third quarter of the Great Double Super Bowl. And Drew Brees again back to pass again to Bush. They're not covering him. They're receiving him wide open for another first down, and again it's 12. Now he is at the 12-yard line. And Bush again is wide open, scoring the touchdown. So to Drew Brees to Reggie Bush for the touchdown. New Orleans Saints is going to keep the field goal, hopefully be up 28-21.
We forgot to do your commercial.
And they kick this up, and it is good. The score is 28-21 here, folks.